Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXCC. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXCC is an award-winning ECN and STP broker that was founded in 2010. Although this broker is beginner-friendly, it is a popular choice for professional traders, hedge fund managers, active traders, and corporate clients. Whether it is your first time trading, or if you've been trading for a while, FXCC offers a great selection of high-quality educational resources and research material. FXCC brand is an international brand that is registered and regulated in various jurisdictions, operating as part of Central Clearing LLC, which is incorporated in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, as a limited liability company that is registered by the Financial Services Authority. Additionally, FX Central Clearing Limited is registered as a Cyprus investment firm and is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, in line with the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. As a FXCC client, you will get a 100% bonus on your first deposit and access to free virtual private server services, exclusive cashback rewards, and a referral program. FXCC offers floating spreads from 0.0 pips on a wide range of forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, metals, indices, and energies. There are more than 70 major, minor, and exotic currency pairs that you can trade with this broker. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 with FXCC. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with FXCC, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and choose an instrument from the Products menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the FXCC customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need any assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If you have any friends or family who are interested in trading, or a large following of traders and investors on social media, you can increase your account balance through the FXCC referral program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a cash bonus. Previously, FXCC offered a 200% deposit bonus of up to $10,000 plus cashback rewards for every lot traded. At the time of reviewing this broker, no deposit bonuses are being offered. However, we recommend checking the Forex Office page often to see if any new promotions become available. If it is your first time trading, the safest and easiest way to start trading is by opening a demo account with FXCC and reading some of the guides provided. Using a demo account will allow you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds, and it will give you an opportunity to test the platforms and learn the basics. If you've been trading for a while, FXCC offers competitive spreads and low-cost trading on a variety of instruments. Your account can be used for hedging, scalping and expert advisor trading, but the live account is commonly used for news trading and day trading. Depending on the type of client you are, you can also open a corporate account. However, this type of trading account is specifically designed for institutional clients, trading significantly larger amounts and volumes. As an FXCC client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. This platform was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. This platform can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. You will be able to use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you would prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. The MetaTrader 4 mobile application is beginner-friendly and free to use, and has been downloaded more than 10 million times worldwide. It has a 4.6 star rating on Google Play, making it one of the most trusted trading platforms. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4, hover your cursor over the Platforms tab and click on one of the options for a full list of features and direct download links. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any browser. The benefit of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server, so you'll never have to worry about overloaded servers or issues with backups. For more information on the virtual private servers you can use as an FXCC client, hover your cursor over the Forex Offers tab and click on Free Virtual Private Server. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with FXCC, and this broker also offers demo accounts, managed accounts, and a swap free account. FXCC's live trading account requires no minimum deposit and is eligible for a deposit bonus. It is an ECN account that can be used for hedging and scalping, and expert advisors are allowed. This account is commission-free and offers spreads from 0 pips. It has the fastest execution speeds and gives you access to free advanced trading tools, free virtual private servers, and free daily technical analysis. You can also open a corporate account. However, this type of account is only intended for legal or registered corporations and institutional clients. To find out more about the corporate accounts, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and click on Corporate Account. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. FXCC clients can also request to open a swap free account. When you open an Islamic swap free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, this account type is exclusive to Muslim clients. In addition to these trading accounts, FXCC offers managed account services and a wide range of account management tools for professional traders and asset managers with multiple accounts. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FXCC offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with FXCC will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FXCC homepage and then click on the Register button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been set up and verified, and you have chosen your preferred account type, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FXCC. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, Neteller, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, and a variety of other third-party applications. Your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars, euros, or pounds. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. With most of these supported payments, no deposit fees will be charged, as they are covered by FXCC. You can make a withdrawal using any of these supported deposit methods. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. FXCC provides plenty of educational guides, an economic calendar, forex news, daily technical analysis, and much more. So we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. There are dozens of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides that you can read to gain a solid understanding of forex trading. If you are new to trading, then make sure to visit the FXCC Education Center and practice trading on a demo account to make sure you understand the basics. You can use their economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. We also recommend bookmarking their trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account, so there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. This broker has received many awards over the years, from the UK Forex Awards, the World Finance Magazine Awards, the JFEX Awards, the MENA Forex Show Awards, and the Global Banking and Finance Awards. Overall, FXCC is a great choice for beginners, active traders, day traders, and professionals. However, your account can be used for any style of trading and supports all trading strategies. FXCC provides plenty of high-quality educational resources and a great selection of research material and advanced trading tools. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with this broker, and you can practice trading on a MetaTrader 4 demo account if you are new to trading. If you need any assistance, you can reach their customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. FXCC offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FXCC. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.